Actor Wiseman Mncube took a break from acting on SABC1's Uzalo to take on a new character of Mncube on Showmax hit series The Wife. According to Daily Sun, the actor is set to return to Uzalo as Sbonelo, who is Nkunzi Mhlongo's son. When he left Uzalo, he was shot by rival Ninji Mama's Gebengu and then fled to Nigeria. Sources claim he has returned to the telenovela and has already started shooting his scenes. The publication then adds that Wiseman will either appear in December or season 9, which will premiere in 2023. Did you miss Sbonelo on Uzalo? Please share your thoughts and opinions in the comments section.